as you've been building out the Matterport partnership, Matterport partners, ZUANT, this combination of Matterport plus ZUANT 3D, you've talked about some examples of clients. Looking at my notes, I think Honeywell, Lotus, Verizon, Tesla, Toshiba, Plug Power, Thermo Fisher Scientific. Are there other industries outside of these examples where Matterport plus ZUANT 3D Live Receptionist would be appropriate?
I don't think there's a limit to it, quite frankly. I mean, you could imagine in retail, going to a Nike store and, you're looking for some new trainers for your next 10K, and you want to see the latest brands and see them on the shelf. And so wander down into having a look at the digital twin. And then, I like the look of that one. I want to have a quick live agent discussion. So have you got my size in stock? Okay, good. Well, I'll come down to the store now. In healthcare, you're a little bit worried because you've got to go and see a specialist department for a blood test. It's a new hospital. People get very scared about attending, new places to just have simple things like blood tests sometimes. And so to be able to actually go through into reception in a hospital, a huge hospital, and say, right, where do I go for the phlebotomy department or whatever it's called? You can get some help from the agent or have the navigation built in. So you're familiar of where you've got to go, and maybe a little video at the end of that journey to say, right, this is how long you'll be waiting and this is what's involved. So just don't worry about it. So it's that. We mentioned travel earlier on. If you're looking to book a large conference for your sales team, the old days, you'd have to be really sure, because your job's on the line if you're choosing a location at some exotic foreign resort for 200 salespeople and the CEO coming to do presentations and so on. You'd have to fly from location to location to check them out. And did they have all the right AV facilities and conference seating and so on? Well, let's cut that down, speed up the process. You can hop from hotel to hotel and look at all those business facilities and make a decision by using their digital twin. So I think you could think of every single industry and find a really good application for digital twins. I think it's really, we've all only just been scratching the surface of these markets so far.
Mm-hmm.